Today is Mom's birthday.
I'm heading out. You guys be good at home, okay?
Of course, darling.
Bye, Mom.
Our secret plan.
It's to make Mom a birthday cake.
First, crack some eggs. Add some sugar.
It's so sweet. Mom's gonna love it.
Pour in some flour. Add a carton of milk. Then mix it up. Lots of air gets mixed into the batter.
Wow, so many tiny bubbles.
Next step, bake the cake.
Dad, please. I want to draw Mom's face on the cake.
Huh? All right, anything you say.
Help Quacky draw Mom's face on it.
Let's put it in the oven. Turn it.
Huh? Why is the cake puffing up? Does cake grow like we do?
Look! There's so many air holes in the cake. Tap to see what's in it.
I'm air. I'm air too. We're both air. Air, air, air. Air, air, air.
The oven heats up and the temperature goes higher.
Whoa! Heat is coming. Help me absorb some heat. I'll get hot and grow bigger when I absorb the heat. Air gets hot, and expands. The cake grows bigger too. Quacky gets it. The air inside the cake gets hot and expands, making the cake puff up.
Exactly. Smart kid, you got more than half of my genius.
Let's open it.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Mom's back. Ouch!
Sweethearts, I'm back home. So you made me a cake.
Oh,
Tastes pretty good.
but the cake cracked.
You can try to guess how to keep it from cracking.
Bake it for a shorter time. Lower the temperature by half. Mix a little longer. Bake it for a shorter time. The air gets hot and big and puffs up the cake. Quacky also needs to get more sunshine, so I will get warm and grow into a big duck. Quack! This time it popped just right.
Get the timing just right, and the cake won't crack. Let's try a different way.
Lower the temperature by half.
If the temperature's too low, there'll not be enough heat for the air to expand. Then the cake can't puff up properly. Let's try a different way.
Mix a little longer.
Oops! We mixed the batter for too long, and now it has too much air in it. More air heats up and expands, making the cake rise higher.
Uh-oh! It cracked again.
Wow! You're my cake queen!
Happy birthday, Cake Queen! We love you so much! Mwah!